Coffee hair mask for dull, dry hair. Discover the amazing benefits of a coffee hair mask. Stimulate hair growth, add shine, enhance color, reduce breakage, and moisturize your locks naturally. Say goodbye to dull hair and hello to vibrant, healthy strands. Try it out. Unleash the power of coffee for luxurious hair transformation. Boost your hair's vitality from root to tip with a coffee-infused hair mask. Experience the joy of stronger, shinier, and healthier-looking hair. These are the ingredients: yogurt, egg yolk, coconut oil, mayonnaise, and coffee. Give you all the nutrient for amazing results on your hair. A real nutrition balm for your hair. 2 tablespoons coffee powder. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons yogurt. 1 egg yolk. 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Mix well. For a creamy, thick texture, the smell is amazing smells. Just like cappuccino. This coffee hair mask, enriched with mayo, yogurt, coconut oil, egg yolk, and coffee, is here to revolutionize your hair care routine. Packed with numerous benefits, this magical concoction will leave your hair feeling nourished, revitalized, and absolutely stunning. Let's dive into the incredible benefits of each ingredient. 1. Coffee. Beyond being a morning pick-me-up, coffee stimulates hair follicles, promoting hair growth and preventing hair loss. It also adds a natural shine to your locks, making them look lustrous and healthy. 2. Mayo. Don't be surprised. Mayo is not just for sandwiches. It contains amino acids and antioxidants that deeply moisturize and condition your hair, leaving it soft, silky, and manageable. It also helps repair damaged hair, reducing breakage and split ends. 3. Yogurt. Packed with proteins and vitamins. Yogurt strengthens your hair from within, making it less prone to breakage. It also acts as a natural cleanser, removing excess oil and impurities, while soothing the scalp and reducing dandruff. 4. Coconut oil. This miracle oil is a powerhouse of nutrients, including lauric acid and vitamin E. It deeply penetrates the hair shaft, nourishing and hydrating it from root to tip. Coconut oil also helps prevent protein loss, resulting in stronger, healthier hair. 5. And last but not least, egg yolk. Rich in proteins, vitamins, and fatty acids, egg yolk promotes hair growth, adds shine, and improves hair texture. It also contains lecithin, which moisturizes and conditions the scalp, reducing dryness and itchiness. Say goodbye to dull, dry hair with ultra-nourishing repairing and smoothing coffee hair mask. How to apply? Apply from roots to ends on dry high. Leave for 1 hour, then rinse with your normal hair routine, such as shampoo, conditioner. Then dry out your hair for smooth, silky hair. Subscribe for more.